Welcome to County Magazine, a chance to find out what's new across Fairfax County. I'm Brian Ashby. On this edition, we'll meet one resident who was given a fresh start through affordable housing. We'll learn about a county program made to help small business reach that next level, and a new initiative to bring electric vehicle chargers to Fairfax County neighborhoods. Plus, join us for a very special Earth Day in the Providence District. Fairfax County living is not always easy to afford, especially for older residents on fixed incomes. But the Board of Supervisors has made it its mission to address affordable housing across the county by increasing opportunities for everyone to live here and stay here. Meet Lakita, a senior resident of Fairfax County, and see how her life was changed by this countywide initiative.
Older adults in Fairfax County are seeking affordable ways to stay in their communities. Through initiatives led by county government and the Fairfax County Redevelopment and Housing Authority, affordable homes are being preserved and developed. Among these efforts is Oakwood Meadow Senior Residences in Alexandria, where individuals like Laquita Pinkston thrive in a vibrant community.
My grandchild is 11. I moved into my daughter's house when she was born, and I stayed with them for 11 years. I moved to Oakwood in August. I fit everything in here that I bought, from a 3-level townhouse in Old Town to a 1-bedroom here, which is really nice. That says a lot. And I've added quite a few things. The kitchens are very well done, and we eat well. And we share food with the things that we cook. It's a new start. It's whatever it is you want it to be. And that's what makes it really fun. When you come in, there are rocking chairs in the front. We took over the rocking chairs. So we see everybody who comes in. And that's how we get to know everybody. And the activities that we have will do the same. They keep us busy. We have an enormous amount of things to do. We have karaoke. We have games downstairs. We live here, which is really fun because it's a 24-hour building. If you want to go down at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning and play pool, you just go down, go into the game room with your key fob. I didn't know pool before I came in. So everybody comes in to the pool table, and we all play at different times, so everybody in the building gets to use the pool room. And we'll just come up and say, hey, you mind if I join for the game? So there are about 4, 5, 7 puzzles down, and enough tables. You put the puzzle together as much as you can, and somebody else will come and add to it. So there can be, I don't know how many people working on the puzzle until they get it finished. Workout's fun. You gotta go. The exercises look really simple, but the greatest thing about moving here is I've lost 2 dress sizes. When I moved in here, there were clothes I couldn't wear that I can wear now again, and I don't have to throw them away. It's impossible to tell you about everything we do here because we do so much. It's really nice. The best thing is you can always go home. You can do all the things in the area, but you can always go home.
Visit our website for more information on affordable housing options in Fairfax County.
Fairfax County is home to many large and impactful corporations, and they're important. But it's small business that lies at the very core of enterprise in the county. That's why there's Fairfax Core. Fairfax Core connects aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners with experts who can help them start and grow their businesses in Fairfax County. Take a look.
Fairfax Core, the go-to resource to connect aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners with experts to start and grow businesses in Fairfax County.
Starting a business can be really exciting, but can also be confusing. Fairfax Core does the legwork for you, bringing together information and resources into one place. including business startup guides to get you started and growth guides that keep you going in the right direction. The Mason Small Business Development Center is proud to be a resource partner featured on Fairfax Core. Our business counselors are ready to work one-on-one with entrepreneurs to help them get through the next step on their journey. From business planning to access to capital to workshops and training, find us on Fairfax Core.
Women-owned businesses are on the rise, and women in underserved communities often require unique support to overcome barriers to starting a business. The Fairfax Core Resource Navigator allows entrepreneurs and business owners to identify and connect with the organizations that are here to support them. You will find more than 100 free business support organizations segmented by your unique needs that are eager to help. Find the Women's Business Center of Northern Virginia on Fairfax Core. We support entrepreneurship efforts for all businesses, focusing on the conceptual through year 2 stage for women, low income, and underserved communities. From emerging entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, micro businesses, and evolving establishments, Fairfax Core will help you connect with the right network.
Whether you're located in Fairfax County, including the towns of Clifton, Herndon, Vienna, or Fairfax City, in a commercial location or home-based, learn how the local economic development organizations can help you.
And if you are opening a business in your home, learn about the individual requirements to do things right the first time.
We offer dedicated courses and assistance for every stage of business and every location across Fairfax County. Fairfax Core features dozens of upcoming events, activities, networking opportunities, and education links for you to connect, learn, and grow.
Find us on Fairfax Core.
The Southeast Fairfax Development Corporation is one of many organizations in Fairfax County that's dedicated to supporting small businesses, and we also include a focus on community revitalization. Helping new businesses and assisting growing businesses is a key component to our work. We offer support to find the right site, understand development opportunities, and create vibrant commercial districts that attract visitors and shoppers. Find us on Fairfax Core to learn about the unique opportunities along the Richmond Highway corridor.
Obtaining credit and managing finances is one of the most important questions entrepreneurs have. The Financial Empowerment Center helps entrepreneurs during the early stages of their journey. Find us at Fairfax Core to receive one-on-one coaching to guide you through the complexities and challenges of creating a business. We can help with business planning, setting goals, and growth strategies to help you for the long-term success. Y ofrecemos servicios en español, and we provide services in many languages. Additionally, when you visit Fairfax Core, you can use the Translate button to immediately translate all the core content to the language of your choice. Encuéntranos en Fairfax Core.
Find us on Fairfax Core.
Fairfax Core will help you connect.
Find us on Fairfax Core.
Find us on Fairfax Core.
Fairfax Core. Check us out on fairfaxcore.com.
Do you drive an electric vehicle? Ever wish it was more convenient to top off that battery? Enter Charge Up Fairfax, a new program aimed at making it easier for homeowners associations to install shared vehicle charging stations. Here's more.
The Charge Up Fairfax program helps community associations overcome the technical and financial barriers of providing electric vehicle charging. Most people charge their EVs at home, so charging stations are an appealing amenity for many home buyers and renters. Once someone owns an EV, they're unlikely to consider living somewhere that does not offer EV charging. Providing shared community charging for residents who don't have a private garage or driveway helps to encourage the widespread adoption of EVs, which are cleaner and less expensive to maintain than gas-powered vehicles. Community associations that apply and are accepted into Charge Up Fairfax receive an engineering site visit along with a memo that details the technical aspects of their project. The community then hires a contractor of their choice to install the EV charging equipment and coordinate on permitting and any power needs. The community may then request funds to partially reimburse the cost of installation. All participating communities qualify for up to $5,000. In some cases, communities may qualify for up to $12,000.
So as a pilot community, our experience was overwhelmingly positive. We had excellent support from the county. A couple of things that really helped us out. The first was the feasibility. And the second thing really I think that this program did for us was it put us in touch with other communities that were going through this, so we could all kind of work together and try to come up with solutions to the same problems we were facing.
This application period is open from May 1st through June 30th. The application is available online along with other resources and information on the Charge Up Fairfax webpage.
Civil disorder, large groups of people mobilized by political protest, ideological conflict, or social grievance. Civil disorder can be a dangerous condition that can become increasingly chaotic and volatile, but you can weather the storm with these tips. If civil disorder erupts in your community, stay away from the area and shelter in place. Shelter in place means taking refuge in an interior room with no or few windows. While you shelter in place, stay up to the moment with Fairfax alerts and local media reports. Map out emergency exit routes in case your area is evacuated. When public safety services arrive, comply with all law enforcement directives and remain alert to any curfews in your area. A curfew is an order from public safety requiring residents to remain indoors between specified hours, typically at night.
To remain indoors. Again, a curfew is in effect from 7
After the civil disorder, check the area to make sure it's safe, and check personal property for damage. No one knows if or when civil disorder will erupt, but if it does, you can be prepared. Download the Community Emergency Response Guide from your Department of Emergency Management and Security, and be prepared for all hazards in Fairfax County.
Recently, Fairfax marked Earth Day with celebrations across the county. But for the first time in the Providence District, the event took place out in the community. Kingsley Commons in Falls Church was the site of this year's celebration, where visitors learned about saving energy, recycling, and doing their part for the environment.
So we're here at Kingsley Commons on a very sunny and windy day, and we are here celebrating Earth Day, celebrating getting kids and families out here learning all about the environment and how to protect it.
It's like a community fair. So from each table, you learn about the environment, like ways to save energy, how to recycle, as well as like if you want to volunteer for any kind of service to help with the community, you learn how to do that as well.
This is the first year we've been able to bring it into the community where our community lives, and to partner with the agencies and the groups who oversee the community.
So Comunidad is here because we wanted to showcase a number of our programs and also listen to the community. We're starting a second location here in the Kingsley Commons area. But one of the programs that we're showcasing today is our Strong Readers, Strong Leaders program. And so because today is Earth Day, we wanted the kids to come in, learn about Earth and animals. And so we were able to bring a lot of our books so that students could read them.
We live on this earth and we have to take care of it, that's for sure. I think the best thing we can do to take care of our earth is to start educating people as early as possible. So I do love to work with young kids and let them know ahead of time, and that's why we brought this event here, so we can have more chances for people to know about it.
Well, that's going to do it for this edition of County Magazine. Thanks for joining me. Remember, there are countless ways to get involved in your community and make Fairfax County an even better place to live, work, and play. I'm Brian Ashby, and we'll see you next time on County Magazine.